Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Sharif Education. Today we're going to talk about English sounds. We know very well there are 44 sounds are in English language. Among these sounds we know there are 24 consonant sounds. Today only talk about 2 consonant sounds. So let's get started. Dear friends, we see over here 24 consonant sounds, and we're only talking about 2 consonant sounds. The first one is p, and the second one is, b. We are using our 2 lips, and it's called unvoiced bilabial plosive consonant sounds. So, p, as in pen, p, as in pen, and as in paper, and p as in pet. I hope you have been able to understand how to make these sounds correctly, how to say these words correctly. The second sound is b. We know it's a b is called voiced bilabial plosive consonant sounds basically. So b as in bat, b as in bat, and b as in baby. We can't say baby, baby, baby. These sounds are consonant sounds, of course, but it's unvoiced consonant sound, and b is a voiced consonant sounds. If you want to be a great English speaker, I always tell my students, please try to understand how to pronounce these 24 consonant sounds. If you don't know how to pronounce 24 consonant sounds, it will be very difficult for you to understand native English speakers. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you very much indeed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.